Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Courtesy of Infinity of Nashville, we have the 2011 Acura RDX Turbo. Powered by a 2.3 liter inline 4 that has now been turbocharged. Oh, please don't tell me you're coming off. Alright, good. This thing is one of the first performance SUVs. And plus, I was 11 years old when this car came out. That's kind of crazy to think about. I've always kind of been interested by them. I love looking at cars that, you know, were in the showroom when I was growing up. So this is kind of cool. I was like, alright, when's the next time a decent, clean example will be available to film? And I couldn't think of another one. Today's kind of been the day of fun, weird, quirky stuff. There's that. So this one, obviously, pre-owned. This one has 93,000 miles on it. But still, oh, forget you. Still in great shape. You can really hear the turbo. That's the coolest part. In the RPM gauge, you have turbo, and you have your own boost gauge. An SUV, you know. Now it's commonplace to have a high performance SUV. Back in 2011, nobody was really doing it. So this one really is one of the first kind of fun performance SUVs. You had the Porsche Cayenne, the SUV, obviously. That was kind of taken, let's say, not so well. But that was kind of what started it. So this one, you know, 3-4 years after that launched is when this came out. Pop it into sport mode. Do have paddles behind the wheel. I will probably be using those once we get off the highway. Obviously not designed to be the fastest thing in the world, but no, it's a pretty cool car. SUV. Like I said, I love weird, quirky vehicles. This definitely fits the bill. Horn works. There it is. Oh, wow. terms of seating position, very high up. That's one thing that's really, really surprising. I just stepped out of the Q60. So, going from a low down seating position to this, it's gonna be a little different, but put it into sport, manual. Five-speed automatic. Yeah, this thing, I remember, 5-speed automatic. This was back when, you know, car had more numbers on the revolution counter than gears. Now it's the other way around. Man, I miss the old days. Back when car design was simple. It's so cool. You know, I've come around to the early 2000s where I've driven the 575 Maranello, Ferrari of course. That thing was awesome. The DB7, DB9. I strongly think that the early 2000 to 2010, that was a really awesome era for drivers' cars. You know, honestly, I think my next car might be a DB9. If I can get a decent deal on a DB9, man, it's the way I'd go. That turbo is so loud. You know what? I'm not going to exit the flow of traffic like I normally would to end the video because I don't want to lose my spot in line. So in that case, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.